Welcome to the June Mystery Box Challenge Awards. I'm your host, Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. Here are our nominees. Shannon, the Daily DIYer. Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. Melanie from Simple Made Pretty. Christina from Christina Elizabeth. Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations. Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. And me, Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. The Shopper Award goes to the person who sent the best box of items, and that goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. The Ruthie Award goes to the person who sent the hardest challenge item, and that is Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations with those styrofoam shoe inserts. The Fearless Award goes to the person who made the best DIY using a challenge item, and that goes to Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. The Twist and Shout Award goes to the person who made the best DIY using the twist, which was to use twine and burlap in every DIY, and that goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. The Caterpillar Award goes to the person who did the best transformation DIY using a non-challenge item, and that goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. The People's Choice Award goes to the person who made the most favorite DIY, and guess what? That goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. The Copycat Award goes to the person who is most likely to have their DIYs recreated, and that goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. The Jailbird Award is the random vote of the month for this mystery box. It's going to the person most likely to become a criminal mastermind, and that person is Courtney from Creative on the Cheap. I'm not really sure what to say. Thank you. And now the Bronze Brush Award for our third place winner goes to Kelly from Kelly Barlow Creations. The Silver Scissors Award and overall second place goes to Whitney from Whiskey and Wit. And our Golden Glue Gun recipient and overall first place winner goes to Christina from Christina Elizabeth. And that wraps up the June Mystery Box Challenge Awards. The next mystery box will be August 30th. So this wraps up this mystery box. Thank you and good night. Or good morning, or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. But thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Here are some more videos you might enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!